You are the rain, you are the sky.
Maraming pagsusuri tungkol sa pag-aasawa ang nagpapakita na ang pinakapangunahing pinagmumulan ng kasiyahan sa buhay ang masayang pag-aasawa.
I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry. I'm gonna give you all I have inside.
Recounting the moments when I first met you, it was pretty simple because all that I remember was your angelic smile. Since then, I could not help myself but ask, who is this woman?
We get hard to recognize. I'll be the first one there to fight.
For almost 6 years of friendship and love, I know God is good kasi binigay ka niya sa akin sa mga oras na kailangan ko ng strength.
Thanks to God's will, we are able to meet. I believe that the Lord orchestrated our life's path so we can be together for His glory.
Ang pagkakaroon ng masayang pag-aasawa ay nakasalalay sa attitude o ugali o sa loobin ng bawat kasangkot sa pag-aasawa.
All the air in me breathes for all of you. The current of your love runs through mine, twisting like a storm, taking hold of me. Words will always be intertwined. I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry.
He never give up on me. As
Holding
in
your
never,
hand till we
to the
close
kindest
our
person inside and out, and to the second person who believes on me. Na kaya ko lahat ng bagay basta pinaghirapan ko.
I'm gonna love you till the well runs dry.
I don't want to die or fade away. I just want to be
I vow
someone.
to be true to you,
I just wanna
respect
be
you,
someone.
sensitive of your needs, and to love you for the rest of our life.
Without a
And to the
trace.
man who was there in my greatest failure and success, who always believed in me, who always there for me, whatever happens, and to the man who never stopped loving me since day one na minahal niya ako hanggang ngayon. Kahit yung mga panahong dumaan kami sa malaking pagsubok, and I decided not to continue, but still, he keep on holding on.
Somebody to someone. Oh, I never had nobody and no road home.
Wala rin.
Hindi mo saya na.
It's getting heavy and start to fall. I really need somebody to call my own. I wanna be somebody to someone. Someone to you. Someone to you. Someone to you. Someone to you.
I found you, and I will never let you go. See you, I love you.
Just wanted to be somebody to you. I just wanna be somebody to someone. Oh, I wanna be somebody to someone. Oh, I never had nobody and no road home. I wanna be somebody to someone.
I promise you that we will face this world together. No looking back or too far ahead. Only looking up for all the guidance we will never need, because ultimately, the only way to win our battles is to surrender and let God fight for us.